YouTube channel. Today we're playing Block Blast. Yes, Block Blast. And not Black Blast. Yeah, I forgot. So we're gonna play Subway Surf. Until I get my world. Until I lose. Okay. So here. Okay. Okay. This is kind of. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! Did they did an update? I think they did. I think they did an update on Subway. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I like the song, by the way. Oh. I'm mastering this. Okay. Yeah, because this is gonna be a lame video. No. Yeah. Keep going. Whoa. The song is like good. I cannot lie, bro. Oh no. Woo. Bro, an ad. Seriously, guys, the thing I hate about some games, they have ads. Yeah, that's one of the most hated things in games. Woo! Oh my god. Whoa! No! What just happened? Oh my god! How am I doing this? What the? What is that? What kind of ad is that? Okay. Oh! Ooh! Okay. I'm beating it. Ooh. Oh! Too easy, yeah! Okay, I mastered this, guys! I mastered it. Okay. Starting in... Okay. Whoa. get it. Yes. No. Ooh. Oh my god, I was mastering. Oh. Okay. Another one. I'm gonna master again, guys. You gotta see. You're gonna see. You're gonna see. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That was so close. You saw what I did, okay? Okay, bro. Guys. Okay. Starting. Okay. Guys. Ooh. Okay, guys. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay. No. Bro. Pizza ready? What is that? Okay. That's next. Okay. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye.